Hi, Aku. It's Eddie Monturo of Radio United Perth. We welcome you in advance for our upcoming concert here in Perth. My first question, Ku, is among all your songs, which one best reflect who you are and why?
I would say ako ay Filipino because it has really changed me. It has changed me as a Filipino. The words, as a believer of the Bible, in Proverbs 18:21, it's one of the things that it advocated I teach. It says that life and death is in the power of the tongue, and he who loves it will eat its fruit. And so, when you look at the tobacco, I wasn't a believer yet. But, it goes like this. Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y mahalika. Ako ay Pilipino, ang dugo'y mahalika. Likas sa aking puso, aking kakaitan. So, it's a very national song. And believe me, when I started as a singer, or even as a young girl, I wouldn't say that I was so proud to be Filipino because nothing in me, or my parents would teach me about being proud as Filipino. Just too busy, studying, finish, you know what I mean? But as a song, it got so deep to my heart that I understood what it means to be Filipino. So as I kept singing it just kept going back into the soul and changing me. That's why it's so good that the government have really put the song firstly in the world so that the kids could sing it. And I believe that it changes the person that sings that. That's why I also believe that the songs that we sing reflect who we are.
That's right. Yeah.
It also helps us. And when we get into the kind of music that is around now, there's so much more deeper meaning that a lot of people do not understand, because there are good songs such as us, and there are songs that will destroy us. So I believe in what I would say
It's good.
is who I am.
Amazing. Anyway, that's good answer. Then, looking forward, my second question is, looking back on your incredible career, 47 years in the music industry, what are some of the biggest challenges you encountered and how did you overcome it?
It's going to take us hours. They're all challenges, but I believe that it really depends on your decisions, the kind of shows, the kind of who guests you'll put into your show. They could be very popular, and pull in tickets, but if you think that they're going to be problematic, they're going to be really, it's about life, you don't want it too much. You want to do so much. You want to do big concerts, heavy for the things that will go with it. But what I have learned in my 26 years as a believer, prayers, and this is what my mother has always said. Lahat what is it? Nakukuha sa dasal. Lahat ay nakukuha sa dasal. Everything gets answered through prayers.
Yes.
Yeah. So, I don't think one of the challenges that we faced was doing Inspired Madness in the CC at the time when Ninoy Aquino was assassinated, and we were told not to sing Bayan Ko. But we still proceed with it. Casilla, Lucrecia Agustiki, the head of CCP that time, warned us, but we still proceeded with it. And the people did a standing ovation. They needed to hear that song. So, we believe that we can always, succeed. We can always be successful when we have God with us. So we prayed, and that was.
Thank you for that one. Another one that I want to ask from you. In your career, what's the most embarrassing moment and regretful decision that you made?
Embarrassing
moment.
Eto, is that why man embarrassing? Embarrassing. Wala naman, I make sure everything's tracked well. No, everything's fine. It's not a necessary thing to share if it's embarrassing.
Yeah.
And I forget.
Anyway, lastly, could you be able to invite the Filipino community in Perth for your upcoming concert, please?
Of course. Mga kababayan, I'm so excited to do the concert in Perth. Thank you to Para and for her belief in me. And I know that you are all going to enjoy the concert. You will go home changed and excited about life, encouraged. But more so, I believe that it will be something to remember, something worthwhile to come to the concert. And I may just bring my daughter with me to make her sing.
Wow.
She loves singing along. And so just check the numbers. We don't sure Paras going to put the numbers there. And time, the venue, and everything. I did not have the venue with me.
It's okay.
Hi, Kawasta and Anthony Oliver.